We're looking at homework from section 9.1. This is question number 4. Explain how to determine whether a sample correlation coefficient indicates that the population correlation coefficient is significant. Choose the correct answer below. So let's remember the process we saw in our notes to determine if the correlation coefficient was significant. To determine if the correlation coefficient is significant, first, calculate the number of data pairs. Second, decide on your level of significance alpha. Third, find the critical value from the table. Fourth, find the value of R. Fifth, compare the critical value to the absolute value of R. If the absolute value of R is greater than the critical value, then the correlation is significant. So according to this process, we're getting a critical value from a table and comparing it to the absolute value of R. So when we look at these 4 answers, only 2 of them mention a table, and only the first one mentions the absolute value of R. So the correct answer here is choice B. A table can be used to compare the absolute value of R with a critical value, or a hypothesis test can be performed using a t-test. Now, we didn't talk about the hypothesis test and the t-test because we haven't done chapter 7 yet, so that might have thrown you off a bit. But we did talk about comparing the absolute value of R with the critical value, so that's really the only one that fits here. And that's your answer.